Welcome. Today we are diving into the world of the UPSC exam, one of the most prestigious and challenging examinations in India. The Union Public Service Commission, or UPSC, is responsible for conducting the civil services examination, commonly known as the UPSC exam. This exam recruits candidates for various civil services in India, including the Indian Administrative Service (IAS), Indian Police Service (IPS), and Indian Foreign Service (IFS). The UPSC exam is a three-stage process designed to test a candidate's knowledge, analytical skills, and personality. The first stage is the preliminary examination, or prelims. It consists of two objective type papers, General Studies and the Civil Services Aptitude Test, CSAT. This stage acts as a screening test to shortlist candidates for the next phase. Next is the main examination, or mains. It's a written exam comprising 9 papers, including essay writing, general studies, and optional subjects. This stage assesses the in-depth knowledge and intellectual capabilities of the candidates. The final stage is the personality test, commonly known as the interview. Here, candidates are evaluated on their personality traits, communication skills, and overall suitability for a career in public service. Clearing the UPSC exam opens the door to a career dedicated to serving the nation, making impactful decisions, and contributing to the development and governance of India. The journey to becoming a civil servant through the UPSC exam is demanding but incredibly rewarding. If you have the dedication, perseverance, and passion for public service, the UPSC exam could be your path to making a difference. Thank you for watching. Best of luck to all the aspirants out there.